everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I have this gold glitter party look for you, and I'm using the Soft Glam palette today, and the first shade I'm using is Burnt Orange. I'm going to be applying this into my crease with a fluffy blending brush and building the colour up. Next, using the shade Mulberry, I'm applying this in the outer part of the V. I'm using a flat shaded brush first to apply the colour and then a fluffy brush to blend it out. Now using Noah, which is a matte black shade, and I'm using this in the outer part of the eye, going along the tape, or using a small amount of this. Now I'm using a soft matte white shade and I'm applying this all over the lid, the area that's left, before we apply our glitter. And for my glitter, I'm using the Pressed Glitters by Beauty Glaze, and I'm using this light gold shade. I actually found this palette on Amazon for like £5. I just wanted to see how it works. I started off by using my finger and then started using a brush. You have to slowly build up the colour and then the payoff will come out. A little bit tricky to work with, but eventually you'll get there. For my winged eyeliner today, I'm using the Maybelline Gel Liner. Starting off by creating a triangle shape for the wing, and then going along my lash line, filling everything up, and then just knitting up the line. Now I'm lining my upper and lower waterline with the kohl pencil. I'm just applying some of that mulberry shade with a pencil brush under my lower lash line. And then adding a little bit of highlight in the inner corners. I'm using Ardell Mink lashes today, and then I'm just going to apply a bit of mascara to blend everything together. And this is the final look. This is perfect for any evening party you're going to. Hope you enjoyed watching this. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. I upload weekly, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.